pastor we are looking.
Yeah.
Me have a friend that said this pastor we are looking.
Yeah.
Them I say him no know if he deal with pastor. He said that a man they too holy for him, you know.
Okay, so this is a girlfriend, right?
Yeah,
Right.
one ex-friend.
Right,
so
right.
me tell him to just give man talk and promise him and every time you see him, afraid they won't give up and give me troops, but don't sort him out yet.
Right.
Just tell him your problem where you have and this and that. So me tell him pastor man say you know I know better or nothing say you want all them best something there. Just tell him them best something there. So you don't know the pastor man raise a whole heap of cow, you know.
Uh-huh.
So the pastor man sell a bull cow must have $78,000.
Uh-huh.
And the pastor man take a whole $78,000 gear, you know.
The pastor man sell a cow for $78,000.
One bull cow, one big bull cow, because you know bull cow dear nowadays.
Right. And in gear the $78,000.
You know, so she not no bank book. She said she don't know if it do it. So because anywhere when me go to school, she bank now, me ever take up like a paper, they will drive the bank. Every go me go in them, me just take them up, carry with me.
Right.
So me tell him, so me know what to do. All you do, just start me out with my little share. Me know how much.
Okay.
So me have a paper there, but me have an uncle at JP.
Uh-huh.
And our wife run a shop. So me tell her, say, get ready the Wednesday morning, me I go to the bank. As me just so make me uncle sign up the paper them for you. So when me carry the paper go, my uncle tell him, say, right, such and so name on the office stamp if you are.
Yeah.
See the pastor man wife now come on me auntie shop then now, you don't know where she come back out do. I trust in her raga. After a couple of days ago the pastor man give my
Hold on. Hello?
you hear me?
Yeah, your credit are done.
So after a couple of days
So wait, so the pastor man give your friend the $78,000 when him sell the bull for.
A couple of days
And a couple of days after his wife come, and your uncle shop at Trust Food.
Yeah.
My God. Hey, what you think about that now?
Me the family friend side 100% because me get a shares out of money.
Okay, but and nothing never run from the pastor yet.
No, he never get none, but he cannot get look starting out there now, but money a run.
Okay, so he might get look at something here now.
Yeah, and no cow a sell raga.
What you say? No cow sell.
And no bull cow sell raga.
Cow sell like wow, man.
You mean? And I tell like boy how thief then thief in cow. I tell you wife so.
I tell you why she thief then thief
I
cow.
then thief bull cow them.
That time I sell the cow them and I
I
give
tell
it.
him I tell him give me friend the money.
Why I credit do that thing? But that one them mad. That one. Yo, my girl said, I know cow sell.
We have a friend that said this